Okay, so right now we are into the machine. Let me click yes to this to allow this to be discoverable by outside. Now let's add roles and features over here. We're going to add the IIS role. So let's go next. It's going to be very simple. Web server IIS. In here, just add features. Go next. And here we can just go to next. In here, management service is needed, so that management service allows the web server to be managed remotely from another computer using the IIS manager. Okay, so management service has been added. What else do we need to add? Let's just make sure. So we can go to application development over here, and this will be providing the infrastructure for developing and hosting the web applications. And we will be adding ASP.NET 4.6 because, matter of fact, we will be adding an ASP.NET application or publishing an ASP.NET application over here, not a .NET Core application. So we go to next and go to install. So I'm just pausing the video over here, and we'll come back once the installation is done. So the installation is being done. It's still in the process of being done. So let's meanwhile we would need to install the web deploy service, as this would be needed when we publish the web app from the Visual Studio. So install this extension. And we choose the 64-bit one because my this computer is, this virtual machine is 64-bit one. So we go and choose this one. And go to next, and you can just allow this, run this. Okay. Okay, now let me take a pause while this installs. Okay, so we are in the wizard, and we accept the terms. We go for a complete one, install, and this would be installing the web deploy. So let this be installed, and let me just meanwhile check whether the feature installation is done. And yes, the feature installation is indeed successful. Let me close this. So my IIS is done, my ASP.NET 4.6 is done. Now the web deploy is being done as well. Meanwhile, let me just go back and click on my Visual Studio, the project which I have created for this lab task. So this is my project, web app VS, and let me just okay, so this is finished. So the web deploy is being completed, and now let me try to publish this web app. So right click on this. So just let me right click this and go to publish. This will bring up the publishing wizard. Let's take some time.